Alright. Where's HT at? Where's our pretty girl? Oh my god, I'm all itchy. Watch out. Swear to God, dude, there's something itchy. There's something itchy going on in the freaking in the yard, or it's this fucking second time, dude, this week. Nah, outside. Come on, let's go. Come on, everybody. Come on, 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 come on. We're gonna freaking hang out and smoke for a second. See if we can't capture a little day in the life of freaking god damn fucking madness with dogs that don't listen. So we'll just keep it down, take it down a notch, and just take it with my two crazy dogs. Well, my one crazy dog. And my beautiful, darling, baby, angel girl right here. Oh my gosh, come here. Oh my gosh. I love you so much. I love you so much. And you drive me fucking insane, dude. You drive me crazy, dude. She was not at all as crazy as you are, dude. Do you understand that she was just like this, dude, from day one? Weren't you? Weren't you? Weren't you always like this? I swear to God, I never would have gotten you, dude, if I'd have known, dude. If I'd have known, I shit you not, dude. I know it sounds fucked up, dude, but here comes show the world. What do you have in your mouth? Come here, LB. What is that? Let me see it. Let me see it, LB. Let me see it. What is it? What is it? What is it, LB? Goddamn male pot plant. Get that thing. Get it. 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 Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Wow, get it. Your turn. Go get that thing. Oh, you go get it. What do you got in your house? Oh, it's a male pot plant. He is fucking cute though, huh? He drives me crazy, but he's cute. Honey, don't start. Don't. LB, no, Hunter, no. This fucking dog, every fucking time she's left. Jenna, knock it off! What's wrong with you, man? And I'll bet you $1,000. I mean, that's the wonderful world of my fucking reality right there, dude. Do you see that explosion right there, dude? That fucking shit is like 18 times a day, dude. I do that, dude. I'm just like, I'm at my absolute. I've been at my limit for a long time, you guys. Like, I'm not even sure if I can get back to. I mean this, dude. I'm not sure if I can. If I ever was. Yeah, I was cool for a little bit up until like probably let's see, like 96, like early Pasadena days, like you're set, you know. Yeah, because I wasn't sketchy yet, dude. I just wasn't sketchy yet back then, dude. And by sketchy, I mean I always had this like weird sex drive, man. That's for sure. I can't say always, but like even like, you know, like the first love of my life, Lisa. I do remember freaking, you know, being loaded on amphetamines and walking the streets like and checking prostitutes out and shit, and just checking chicks out, and just like, or being in a really like highly agitated, horny state, and fully aware that you got this beautiful broad back home, and you're like, what are you doing? Like, it's not like I wasn't at all like trying to fuck anybody. I mean that. For all of you, like, that's what I was doing. I don't know what it is, but it's just like this, like, I don't know what it is, dude. And I do the same thing, and I think it has to do with the shit fucking that happened when I was 15, and although it wasn't traumatic, it affected my I don't know, my sex life, if you will, my sex life, and I think it still does. In that, like, that world of mine is like totally, especially now that I haven't had a girlfriend for fucking ever. So I do the same thing, but I don't get laid. Yeah. I know I'm being vague because I'm just like, it's just popped into my head because I think it's just always there now. It's like the latest, I've been playing the fucking stupid goddamn drug war game for so long now. Drugs are bad, drugs are bad, drugs are bad. That's why you're bad, drugs are bad. You do drugs, you're bad. Only bad people do drugs, blah, 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 blah. Bad, 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 bad. Meanwhile, like, everybody's on drugs now. Every fucking buddy, dude. And I call supplements drugs. That's all we're talking about here, right? But I never once, until, God, just real recent, like past 5 years, did I start to see the connection to who and how I am. I mean, from my childhood, from moments in my childhood, specific moments in my childhood, definitely a specific moment in my childhood. It was the big one, but then just the overall points in my childhood, I've been, clear and direct lines to, like, oh fuck, that's it makes so much sense now. And you're almost kind of relieved. It's not, and then the reason why I never wanted, that I ever think that my childhood had anything to do with the way I was is because I always fucking hated hearing people say that kind of shit, like, oh, I'm fucked up because of my childhood, and I never wanted to be one of those people. So even though now I draw the lines and I can see there's still so much of me that's fighting that, like, I don't even want to admit that, right? And anytime I do say it out loud, especially because it's mostly, I just talk to dudes nowadays, but it doesn't really matter who it is. When I'm saying it out loud, I feel like one of those people. I feel like I'm being fucking, like, get over it type thing, like, and it didn't, man. It didn't, like, this highly traumatic thing that I worried about for a long time. I mean, for 20 years, I worried about it, but it wasn't really an issue because it was such a deep, dark secret. Only after, so from 2007 to 2022, when my dad died, yeah, it completely fucking manifested into my fears. I although I came out a little bit better than I thought I would. I mean, I thought that he'd never talk to me again. Regardless, I think I only saw him. Regardless, I only saw him one more time. Can you believe that, dude? Is that fucked up, dude? Is that fucked up? You know, because it feels like I had a better relationship with him. You know, I had a pretty good, you know, even in the past few years. You know, it's like I still never saw him. I never had wheels though, dude. Like, what's his excuse? You know. As soon as I got wheels, dude, I was gonna go out there in 2022, dude, and fucking Maria gets him on the phone and. Shit, man. I don't know, man. I still got crazy heavy, you know, delusions of grandeur, man. I think I can do it all. I want to do it all still. I mean, even skateboarding. Can you believe that I think I could still fucking learn how to skateboard again? It's so fucking crazy. Haven't played the guitar fucking all year. So far, anyway. Trying to help out around here, man. You know, that person texted me back about the room for rent, but I'm fucking scared to fucking go out in this world around here. It's just been a fucking nightmare living up here, man. I've never felt so fucking monitored, dude, in my entire life, dude. It's a trip, dude. It's a trip feeling like everywhere you go, dude, fucking, you know. Arnold was pretty cool. That's why living up there was alright, dude. And Arnold always has been cool since I've been up here. I mean, I say cool, but then fucking Jesus Christ, dude. It's these locals up here, dude, are just fucking goddamn retarded, dude. And then all the decent ones are fucking assholes. You know? No one's wanted to get to know old Case, dude, in 16 years. Can you believe that? I mean, I don't know. I mean, everybody, you know, I always say this, that I do truly hope that we all get what we truly, truly deserve, dude. And so I'm okay with this big ass pill I'm trying to learn to swallow, which is the reality for doing stupid things, doing fucking, dude, perving out, dude. God damn, dude. I mean, what else do you call it, dude? Fucking, I just need you to know I'm not one of these fucking, you know, it's in my past for sure. But I'm still fucking, I can't forgive myself for picking up someone's phone that's not mine and charging a fucking bill that's so fucking outrageous. You know, you'd be fucking shitting bricks just for a phone bill, and then you find out it's a porn fucking phone bill. Oh my I just can't believe they did something like that, dude. They did it like fucking 3, 4, 5 different places, dude. 6, maybe. Probably like $6 grand I owe people, dude. I mean, it's bullshit that it costs that fucking much money. Let's be real. And back then, I didn't even know how to do phone sex, so I was just like, you know, I really don't. I honestly, I don't remember like having sex with myself. Like that's how crazy it was. It was like I was so paranoid doing what I was doing, and I certainly wasn't gonna whip my dick out. You know, I mean, I could be mistaken. What else do you do on a phone sex call? But I just know how bad I am now. It's so hard for me to fucking um I used to I just I mean if some of you know me, man, like I used to, I wasn't always like this, dude. My conscience just you know the I mean I did a lot of self work, you know, and I'm done, and I still am doing, and I'm far from fucking done, and but I realized, like, you know, whereas I thought of myself always, you know, the way I do now. But the only difference is that back then I wasn't um, as good a person as I am now, and I can't say that I'm all that great. I mean, I'm pretty fucking good. I don't think that. Yeah, I just get weird. I get fucking. I don't know how to. I don't know how to. I don't know how to not care. I don't know how to let loose. I don't know how to. And it's just like, I love this line I saw the other day on the fucking YouTube. Fucking, we attract what we feel. And it's just like, so like, yeah, negativity, dude. Bam, dude. Just get negative, you get paranoid or whatever, and just like, boom, you attract it, dude. And like, and they were saying that somehow, like, I mean, it's explaining to me exactly like the way I live now, and it's just like, because I do it all the time. Like, you know, I'll snap out of it, and then I'll be able to go to the store, and I'll have a good day. Like I came back from, I think it was my doctor's, and then maybe the vet, and I came back, and I was just like, oh my god, I had such a good day. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. That's all I need to do is just get out more. That's pretty much all I've done. That's the main thing I've done for 16 years is gone to the doctors. For the past year, I've been leaving the house. For the past 8 months, I've been leaving the house on average twice a month. Probably on average lower than that. Nah, I'd say twice a month. Leaving the property, driving somewhere. Leaving the property probably 3 times a month. It's been pretty fucking abysmal. My body is pretty fucked up.